fellows! Today we're gonna craft a cool retro player for our Sammy. I've had some blueprints here.
Achoo! Have you ever cleaned it? Achoo!
Well, sorry.
Okay, let's see. This blueprint doesn't look like a player at all.
Do you really know how it should look, though? First, we'll make a base. Done in a blink of an eye.
Ugh, what is this, Susie? Something important?
Yep, it is a side part of our player. I've prepared lots of pieces. Let's put them together.
I'll be some help. I know what this piece is for. Give it to me!
Well, let's see how you'll fold it. Can you do it?
I have a sixth sense, plus engineering skills. There you go.
Sure. This is a fastening for our player. Like to attach it to clothes.
You can attach things to me, like this stuff.
Awesome.
Here you go, Sue.
Okay, follow my lead. That's right. Okay, but we still haven't finished yet. I have something for you.
Let's see. Come on, please.
Easy. These are stands to put our player on its side.
Holy cannoli.
We'll glue these pieces here, where they should be. And use this piece to attach the stands. Here we go. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm looking for other pieces you're hiding. Aha! Check this one.
This one seems like just what we need. A button sidebar.
Yup, and we'll put it right here.
We need another piece to place it over the bar.
And I'm cleaning again. Look at this mess you've made.
These are important, actually. It's player buttons. Turn the music on.
You forgot about these pieces. They're kind of stuck.
Don't panic. Aha, these are volume buttons. I'll put them right here. Check this out.
Oh, wait! Like this. Here is a grid for a battery slot. You can glue it, right?
Okay, you make pieces and I attach them, huh? I like it this way. Let's move on.
Sue, I brought you some screws.
Great! We need to make a window to see the insides through it. Check this out! Looks cool!
Insides? What insides? Are you gonna tell me? Oops! What are these lines?
They're not lines, but new decor for our player. Here will be an opening lid to put a cassette in. Where are the buttons? Oh, here they are!
And I've brought a glass!
Right on time. I'll place it to cover this opening.
Okay, I'll play with these. You defo don't need these. Hey!
I wouldn't be so sure. Look! We did a great job!
Sue, you forgot? How are we going to attach the lace, huh?
Oops, thanks, Sammy. We'll put these pieces here. Watch and learn. And here! It's all done!
Finally! I'll go and check how it works.
Wish you luck! But we still have some work to do. Stay tuned!
Let's go! I found an old flash drive. It's retro too. Ugh, but it's not embedding at all. Ugh. Should I try a CD? Ugh, it's not working. What's wrong? What should I do?
USB or CD won't do.
Come on. What's the point then? This player is bad.
It's a cassette player. We'll make a cassette for it. Check this out. Let's start with a cassette slot to insert it in.
Can you insert me? Ugh, it's not comfortable. Ugh.
I'll cheer you up. Turn the music on. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Sue, we're all business people here. Put it down.
Okay. Actually, I've brought something.
Then hurry and put them together!
You thought everything through. It'll be all done soon. Now we place the slot inside the player. It's all played well.
Play? Yeah, let's play music! How does it work?
Before we turn the music on, we should insert a cassette inside. I'll draw the blueprint. Do you know how it looks?
Wait, like this? I found a picture, Sue, but I've never used one.
Then this cassette will be the first real one for you. Just cut it out. That's better.
Hey, I'm busy here.
Oh, these are windows to look at the music tape. I'll attach them to the cassette, like this.
Can you hurry, Susie? Speed up, like in a car.
I'd better speed up your car. Watch out!
Sue, careful! I have a set of pieces pieces here.
Oh, you're dealing with a mini cargo delivery. Cool! We need all these pieces to put the tape together. Great!
I want to draw signs on the cassette too, like we did on the player.
No problem. Write anything you want, Sammy.
Wow, I'll set my creativity free! Check out how pretty it is. Do you like it, Susie?
Wow, so cool! We just need 2 pieces of acrylic glass to finish. Let's place them in these window openings. It looks so real! Just a few finishing touches. Uh-huh. And then we can…
Insert a cassette to the player? Here it is! Bring it on!
Wait, Sammy. We need to fold the cassette to fit it in. Wow, so pretty.
Sue, I finished with the player. Let's play it.
Very well, Sammy. Let's see what we've got. Voila! It's all done and I need a break. Phew!
Today, DJ Sam is listening to some retro music.
You work with the crowd and I'll turn the music on.
Let's go! Ba-doom, boom, boom!
Something's off.
Huh? Weird. Aha! It doesn't have speakers! Let's make headphones!
We defo need them. Where should I find the pieces?
Sue, I've got it! Connect them with the player.
Sammy, these won't do. We need paper ones.
Oh.
We can make headphones now. Can you help?
Yeah, I'm coming! Ah!
Are you alright?
I just fell.
Wait, I've just finished. Let's untangle you. Done. Put these back.
Okay. Actually, they're Roger's.
You didn't return them again? Oh, Sam.
Just don't tell Roger. Here are the pieces for our paper headphones.
Right on time. We'll make a headband from them. It's gonna connect the microphones and hold them in place. Great. I like how it looks. What do you think?
Let me see. Oh! Uh-oh. Sorry, Sue. It was unintended.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'll clean it up. That's right. These pieces will make the headphones look real.
Over, Sue! Attach the microphones to the band!
Got it, sir. Sammy, sir.
So how much longer? I can't wait!
Let's try it on. Well…
I can't hear anything. Why?
Right, Sammy. We haven't made the wires. Let's deal with it now.
Can you attach me to the player?
Sammy, you're not even a gadget, Mr. Slime.
What a pity! This player is the 8th wonder of the world! Really! You should come and play it today! You won't regret it!
Did you invite everyone?
Nobody believes me! What should I do?
Let's test it first, and then others will come to see, right? Go, go, go!
It all began like an ordinary craft day.
Hi guys! Sam and I decided to make a very unusual craft today.
A magic typewriter made of cardboard!
Oh Sammy, come on, you've just stolen my thunder! And I thought you were my best friend.
No, Susie, please don't hold grudges! I just really wanted to help. Let me outline everything by myself, huh?
Here, you better work with this. Just follow my lead. Draw 2 circles with a diameter of 2.5 centimeters. And then turn them into the openings. Nothing complicated here.
Piece of cake, especially for an experienced crafter like me, Sue.
Wow, good job! Maybe we should make our craft brighter, don't you think?
Not another word. Samuel Magnifique is already here, and I'm full of brilliant ideas. What kind of character was that? What if he's involved in Sue's disappearance? How do you like this color palette, Mademoiselle Susan?
I think it's perfect. This is the hottest color in this season.
Well then, it's good that I have already decorated all of the details.
Wow, now that's what I call a bullseye. And now let's do this. And the first step in the assembling of our craft will be left behind. Alright, somewhere here I saw the details for the next stage.
Aha! Protect yourself! Ha ha! Take that!
This one.
Hey! Why did you ruin my game?
You do get distracted so easily, Sammy. At this rate, it'll take us forever to finish this craft.
You're right. Come on, let me help you, Susie. Yeah! All done!
Wow! Guys, don't forget that you can always ask an adult for help.
Oh, I just can't believe that very soon I'll have my personal typewriter! Woohoo!
By the way, what exactly are you planning to use it for?
I'm gonna write a detective novel. After all great writers had such gadgets, right?
Oh, Sammy, it's not the typewriter that makes the work great. It's the talent of the author.
Well, I definitely have a plenty of that. And what are you making?
The thing without which our craft will not work as it should. So, could you not distract me? And now, we'll carefully fix our paper strip on the lower roller.
Help, then don't distract. Could you make up your mind? Ow! What was that?
That was instant punishment for your grouchy mood.
Arty-har, very funny. So why do we need these details?
We will glue this one like this so that it would be a tiny distance between it and the rollers, you see? And here we'll be putting paper sheets to print whatever we want on them. And the second part is the black what? Hey, Sammy, what are you doing?
An instant punishment for you being smarty pants.
Oh, you. We'll glue this part a bit at an angle and the mechanism of the typewriter is finished.
Finally, we're one step closer to finishing our craft. I think I'm hungry. Oh.
Psst, guys, while Sammy's gone, I'll show you a secret. The trick is to feed the paper sheet into the mechanism with the right side up.
Sure, would you like a cookie? Oh, what are you
don't
doing?
crumble near the craft.
Okay, how rude.
Ew, that was close. Remember, guys, we start from the bottom roller and twist it in like this, slowly, until the paper sheet is completely hidden inside.
Okay, no food. Satisfied. Seems like I got thrown down the
Poor
wrong
thing.
way.
That's because you're always in a hurry.
I'll go drink some water. Be right back.
Okay, guys, we don't have much time. Watch carefully. Here goes a blank sheet. We spin the roller like this, imagining that we're really typing something here. And ta-da! Really great, isn't it? Oh, Sam's coming.
All right, Susie. Now I'm definitely ready to continue working on our craft.
That's what we need.
But I haven't finished. Remember, guys, you should always use only clean props for your craft. Whoa! I didn't expect that.
Now let's get rid of the excess, huh? And we'll fix the necessary pieces using ordinary wooden sticks.
Sue, I don't get it. I thought we were done with the mechanism.
The thing is, I've just remembered that I forgot something very important. Be careful with the hot glue, guys. Don't burn your fingers. Here we go.
Even the all-knowing Sue makes mistakes. Let me help you, otherwise something will go wrong again. Would you be so kind? Thanks. Here we go. And done.
All we've left to do is attach that thing in its place, and it all will come in handy.
Guys, don't use any sharp tools without adult supervision.
Now everything seems to be great.
Wait!
Let's just...
Stop! I have an idea. Give that thing to me.
Okay, I'll wait.
Here, I've covered it with the prettiest duct tape I can
Whoa,
find.
Sammy, I just love it! And check out how great it fits into the overall design of the craft. Looks very cool, right? And here goes the last step of the stage. Need edges.
Well, half of the craft is ready. It's time to move on. Susie, I cut everything out just like you said.
Why, thank you.
Ow!
Our main task is to make neat folds like this on both sides of this piece so that this cardboard strip would sort of hug the mechanism. Not hard, right?
And now we'll secure everything with glue.
Whoa, wait, Sammy. It's a bit too early for that. We need to cut the front part of the case first. Huh? I said the front part of the case. That's what I was talking about. But guys, be careful when you cut all of this out.
Holy cannoli, but I want to help you so bad.
Well, you can tell me something interesting and the work will go faster.
All right. Did you know that the first piece of fiction printed on a typewriter was The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? And it was almost 150 years ago.
Wow, now that's knowledge, Sammy. How old is the typewriter itself then, huh?
Over 300 years old, and the world's first patent for it was issued by Queen Anna.
So, we're making almost royal craft here. Only not this Anna, but the English Queen Anna Stewart. That's better.
Slime inspection. Extra support is always good.
And now let's check everything. Alright, our printing mechanism fits perfectly here.
And where can I fit the keyboard, huh? I can't figure that out.
Well, this is perhaps the most time-consuming part of our craft today. Using a key map template like this one, we'll carefully make the cuts on the bottom half of this piece, this way. Hop.
It's quite a painstaking process, guys, so while Sue's busy, hit the subscribe button.
And now we need to slightly expand these openings like this. Speaking of, we're gonna need quite a lot of such wooden sticks today.
So are you saying that? I think I got it! Hold on a sec! Just don't go anywhere, Sue!
Oh, that's Slime. He's up to something again. While in the meantime, I'll bring the body of our machine to perfection.
Interesting. I look at myself and understand that Sue does all the work in crafting by herself. That's not good. Susie, I feel embarrassed that you do all the crafting all alone. Therefore, ta-da! All this will make a great keyboard. Same great, huh?
Are you saying that we'll make keyboard keys from buttons? That's brilliant, Sammy. In that case, all we've left to do is carefully glue the buttons like this.
And at this stage, you can ask an adult to help because we're gonna need a lot of buttons.
Now we'll carefully secure each of them in its place, like this. You can look at your computers and phones and replicate the keyboard layout.
But you can also add a couple of keys of your own. Step aside. Well, what do you say, Sue?
Wow, I think it turned out great, especially this heart key.
Somehow, I don't like the hole in the middle of this craft, Sue. Did you make a mistake in the sizes when you cut out the details?
Of course not. In the real typewriters, it is the space where the print and segment slots are located. But for our cardboard gadget, we can build segment slots from improvised materials.
You're doing great, Sue. And you have it all figured out.
Why, of course. Especially with our crafting experience, Sammy. You know, we always do everything qualitatively and beautifully. Do you agree, guys?
It's time to try out the typewriter.
Alright, let's fill the paper here, this way. And now we're going to type, for example, I love Sammy. And look, everything's working. What good crafters we are.
It's